Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs swirl. First, crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. Add a small pinch of salt and pepper, then whisk them vigorously until they are completely uniform in color and slightly frothy. Next, place a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and melt about 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is shimmering, pour the whisked eggs into the pan. Allow the eggs to sit undisturbed for about 15 seconds, letting the edges just begin to set. Now, using a heat-resistant rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges of the pan towards the center. As you do this, tilt the pan slightly to let the uncooked liquid egg flow underneath the cooked portions. This creates the initial layers for your swirl. Continue this gentle pushing and tilting motion for about 1 to 2 minutes. You'll see beautiful, soft curds forming and folding over each other, creating that desired swirled effect. The key is to cook the eggs until they are mostly set, but still have a slight moistness and sheen. Do not overcook them, as this will prevent the creamy, swirled texture we are aiming for. Once your eggs reach that perfect, slightly moist consistency, remove the pan from the heat immediately. The residual heat in the pan will continue to cook them gently for a few more seconds, ensuring they are perfectly done without becoming dry. Transfer your beautifully swirled scrambled eggs to a plate right away. They are fantastic served on warm toast or alongside your favorite breakfast accompaniments. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.